Your jawline is softer than a teddy bear, and it's killing your whole look. You've got the arms, the chest, the shoulders, but the second someone sees your side profile, it's game over. Your jaw just melts into your neck like ice cream on a hot day. Here's the truth nobody tells you, your jawline matters more than your biceps. It's the first thing people see. It's in every photo, every mirror, every time you talk to someone. And most guys completely ignore it while grinding chest and arms like that's going to fix their face. Spoiler alert, it won't. But here's the good news, 5 simple steps, and one of them works literally right now. Like, pause this video, do it, and your jawline instantly pops. Let me show you. First, let's talk reality. Your jawbone itself? 100% genetics. You can't exercise your skull bigger. You're not going to wake up with Brad Pitt's jaw after doing some weird exercise. That's fantasy. But, and this is huge, your jawline isn't just bone. It's shaped by the muscles around it, the fat covering it, and how you hold your face every single day. And all 3 of those, you can control. So yeah, you can't change your DNA, but you can absolutely upgrade what you're working with. Most guys with weak jawlines aren't genetically cursed, they're just doing everything wrong. Let's fix it. Step 1. Stop letting your tongue be lazy. Right now, your tongue is probably just sitting at the bottom of your mouth like a couch potato. That's making your jaw sink backward and giving you that soft, undefined look. Here's the fix, and this is called mewing, not the cat sound. It's named after a doctor. Press your entire tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Not just the tip, the whole thing. Lips closed, teeth not clenched, just relaxed. Hold it there. Do this throughout the day for 5 to 10 minutes total. It lifts your jaw forward, tightens everything under your chin, and trains your face to actually hold structure instead of collapsing. Now, this isn't magic. It takes time, but even doing it right now while watching this video, your jawline already looks better. Try it. I'll wait. Step 2. Your jawline isn't weak. It's buried. If you're sitting at 18 to 20% body fat or higher, your jaw muscles could be carved from granite and nobody would know because they're hidden under a layer of marshmallow. When you lose fat, your face leans out first. Your jawline sharpens, your cheekbones show up, and suddenly people start asking if you're doing something different. You're not. You just finally revealed what was under there the whole time. The fix? Calorie deficit. Eat less than you burn. That's it. No magic pill, no special jaw diet. Just consistent fat loss. Some guys need to hit 12% body fat to see their jaw. Others see it at 15%. It's genetic where your body stores fat, but the rule is universal. Lose the fat, find the jawline. So if your jaw looks soft, it's probably not your bone structure. It's your snack habit. Fix that first before blaming genetics. Step 3. And this is the one that works instantly. Stop looking like a question mark. If you're hunched over staring at your phone with your head hanging forward like a turtle, your jawline disappears completely. Bad posture literally pushes your jaw backward into your neck. Right now, yes, right now, pull your shoulders back, chest up, head stacked directly over your spine, not leaning forward. Stacked. Look in a mirror or open your camera. Watch your jawline instantly pop out. Your whole face looks sharper, your profile looks clean, and you didn't do a single exercise. This is the fastest jawline upgrade you'll ever get. The problem is you walk around like this all day and wonder why your jaw looks weak. It's not weak, it's just hiding behind terrible posture. Stand up straight and it shows up. That's simple. Step 4. Stop mouth breathing like you just finished a marathon. If your mouth is constantly hanging open, you're actively making your face look worse. Mouth breathing relaxes everything. Your jaw drops, your cheeks sag outward, and you get that soft baby face look nobody wants. Breathing through your nose keeps everything tight and engaged. Your jaw stays forward, your face holds structure, and over time it actually reshapes how your face sits. Kids who mouth breathe end up with longer, softer faces. Kids who nose breathe, sharper, more defined. So do yourself a favor, lips closed, breathe through your nose. If you can't because your nose is always blocked, go see a doctor. Seriously, fixing this one habit will change your face more than any exercise. And it's free. You're literally just closing your mouth. Step 5. Train your neck. Your jawline is connected to your neck. If your neck is weak and thin, your jaw has no foundation to pop from. It just blends into nothing. But build a thick, strong neck, and suddenly your entire lower face looks sharper by contrast. Neck curls, extensions, side raises, hit them twice a week. The neck responds fast. You'll see thickness in a month. And when your neck fills out, your jawline looks like it belongs on a statue instead of melting into your collarbone. 5 steps. Fix your tongue posture, lose the face fat, stand up straight, breathe through your nose, and build your neck. No weird gadgets that destroy your teeth. No magic pills. Just 5 things that actually work if you do them consistently. Now stop slouching, Close your mouth and go look in a mirror. Your jawline's better already. Like if this was actually useful, subscribe for more no BS advice that actually changes how you look. Your face will thank you.